Did you hear Barney Fife? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, this is not a very good day today. You know who Barney Fife is? That's Piss Pants Passanti on the Contrarian News Bubble Channel. Why do we call him Piss Pants? If you can find any of the videos back down around 9/11 or whenever things get a little excited, Bob Piss Pants Pisani, otherwise known as Barney Fife, will start getting real excited. Doesn't he look like Barney though? But he's like, "Oh man, we're not having a really good day over here. I mean, interest rates are going up." No shit, they're going up. Where the hell you been, Bob? We're trying to figure out what that's going to mean. We'll get back to you. Yeah, do that, will you, please? In the meantime, take a look at the swing machine. 60 minutes, October 3rd, one contract, just one, up 2150. You want to play with 10? You're up 21 grand. October 3rd, the Russell, 2300. Where are the Nigerians? Oh, yeah, you want to buy the Russell. Yeah, you got to get into that Russell. Yeah, you got to get the Russell, the small caps. Oh, yeah, how's that working out for you? How about the Dow? Yeah, you got to get in the Dow. I think we were down 300 yesterday. We're down 300 again. We might be down 1,000 by the end of the day. One contract up 2 grand. Oh, how about that NQ, the NASDAQ? Oh, boy, you got to get some of that NASDAQ. Yeah, at 8,000. You know, when the NASDAQ was down around 1,400, nobody wanted to buy it. Now it's up around 8,500, for God's sakes. I mean, we could go back 2,500 points just to get to the peak of the .com. That's how far we are. I mean, we're on some planet trying to get back to Mars just so we can see the moon. Forget about getting back to Earth. But I'm going to tell you, we're coming back to Earth as those interest rates go up. You ever notice? Look at this. The yield on the 10-year is at 3.235. We could be at 3.3 before this is over today. We have moved more in interest rates in the last 2 days than we've moved in 10 years. Folks, they don't take any hostages. You know, this is huge. The treasury market, the 10-year treasury market is multiples larger than the equity market. This is the biggest, deepest market in the world, and interest rates are moving. And you know what? If you don't know what to do, if you don't know whether to wind your ass or scratch your watch, maybe you want to follow us for a month or two and get an education. But look at this. Here's 5 grand, 2 grand. That's 7 grand, roughly. Let's call that 9,500. That's about $12,000. One contract in each market in just a couple of days. I mean, what are you doing? Who are you following? Are you following the hockey player who doesn't trade his own money? He's got a crack research team. You know, yeah, we win 9 out of 10 times, and you make like 10 cents on a trade that you put $30,000 in. Look at the 5. This is a 2-minute trade. A 2-minute trade. It's up 2 grand. We have a gentleman that just joined us 2 or 3 weeks ago, and he came into our trading room this morning, and we showed him. The first trade was 600. The next trade was 600. The next trade is this one here, 2,000. He's watching us right now up here. So that's $3,200. $3,200. What's it cost a futures contract to trade? 4 grand. So he's up like 90% in a day. Crazy, right? Crazy. But we know what's going on. We got our charts. We read the swing machine. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. I think there are some really good things out on the internet, and there are some people doing some really good work. But our signals are precise. This is like surgical precision. Nobody is looking at the markets the way that we look at them. Nobody is running our proprietary systems. These are not moving averages. This is based upon the the distribution of price. I tell you, I mean, I'm telling folks how, but good luck trying to, I mean, can you build something? And you can take like 10 years, but you'll never have what we have. It's built around the distribution of price. It is built around interest rates. It is built around volatility. And it generates signals on an intraday or whatever time frame we want. Now, the reason why we like to trade intraday is why carry risk overnight if we don't have to? Sometimes we do. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you want to follow us and get an education and have some fun, can't promise you're going to make money. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We're a mentoring site. So we're not telling you, hey, go do this with Adobe, or go do that, or go do this, or go do that. We don't do that. We share with you the same signals that we're looking at. We share with you sometimes what trade we might be putting on. But you're more than free, and all of our members, to pick and choose your own trades. Do better than us. That'd be great. That's what we do to save you the 10 years that we did. And we like to surround ourselves with like individuals and trade these markets for a living. So feel free. I'm Bag of Don. I don't bite. 813-758-8263. We don't advertise. You got some questions. You want to know, hey, how does this work? That's what the gentleman did that's watching today. I think he's happy that he did. He gave me a call. We spent an hour on the phone back 2-3 weeks ago just talking. And he's like, oh my God, So, in any case, first move is yours, Come on out of the woods. If you'll go on our website, it's based around kind of Bag of Ants, There's, you can either start or you can stop. This is not a game you can win. Okay, it's only a game to be played. And we think we can help you. It's up to you. Feel free. 813-758-8263. Bagger Don.